The bridge along Oregon Highway 37 that spans the Union Pacific Railroad at the ColdSprings crossing is showing signs of aging and needs to be repaired. The structure is located about a mile east of U.S. Highway 730 and about 30 miles northwest of Pendleton. Built in 1951, the decades of use have taken their toll. Periodic maintenance has been performed over the past 68 years, but now it's time to make critical repairs to keep the bridge safe and efficient for today's traffic and for future generations. During the spring of 2020, we'll be constructing those repairs. This work will require the bridge to be closed for about 5 weeks. Due to its narrow width, there isn't enough room to safely accommodate both traffic and construction activities at the same time. All motorists will need a detour around the worksite using U.S. Highway 395 and Interstate 84. Local county roads near the bridge are not suitable or approved as a detour due to narrow roadways, sharp curves, poor pavement conditions, and other issues. The 5-week shutdown will occur sometime between March 15th and May 1st of 2020. Prior to the closure, signs will be posted along Oregon Highway 37 to remind travelers of the detour. Bridge condition issues include cracks in the concrete, a deteriorating bridge deck surface, and gaps between bridge beams, girders, and other support structures. There are also gaps in the deck joints, worn bridge bearings, and an older style of railing that doesn't meet current safety standards. During the closure, crews will fill the cracks with epoxy and replace the bridge railing, bearings, joints, and deck surface. A new protective screen will also be added to the railings where the railroad crosses underneath. We realize the closure and the detours will impact your commute along the highway. Our goal is to complete the work and get the route open to traffic as quickly as possible. We appreciate your patience. The end results will be a safer bridge and a smoother ride for all travelers.